the WebGIS that has been created as part of the project. So over this WebGIS project, what I have been used is mentioned over here. First we have used open layers. This is an open source library, and you can also have this. It's very easy to learn. This is a GeoServer, which is also open source software which has been used to host all these imageries. So HTML, CSS and JavaScripts were used, and few external libraries such as Bootstrap and OLEXT has been used for enhance the functionality. So let us deep dive into the projects that I have prepared over here. So the entire thing what I have prepared is kept in the E drive, my WebGIS 24, and within that this project folder. So this is so let us use VS Code editor to connect to the folder that I have used in the project. So let me open that folder. So how to do that? From the file menu, just select the open folder, browse to the E drive where I have kept my WebGIS 24. Within that, this is the project folder. So let me select that one. So once you have selected, all these subfolders and files have been selected over here. So just let me open this index file. This is the home page. If you just click over here in this first information system, it will land you to the home page of my WebGIS. So the entire this interface has been created using HTML and CSS, and for CSS we have taken help from Bootstrap that has been mentioned over here. You can go to this library. It's open source, so you can add all the functionality that are present over there. So using that, in the top you can see there is a navigation bar, and if you just click in this icon, the layer list will load. So this is the interface overall we have used. So what are the functionality are over here? So in the left hand side you can see this is the base map gallery. If you click over there, base map will pop up and it will show all the base map that we have kept. These are the few of the FCCs that has been kept as a base map. And furthermore, we have also included a blank map. If user required to print or something, that can be used, and the functionality will be much higher over there. So all these layers which have been included has been kept as a legend over here. Just click over there, it will be popped up. So you need to just close once done. So these are the controls. This is the full extent, zoom in, zoom out. So just click over there, it will work accordingly. Right. So means if you just click on the full extent, it will just fit entire map to the window. So this is the index overview map that has been kept to understand which position of we are working over here. And this in the top you can find these are the drawing panels, drawing tools, which will be displaying over in next couple of minutes. So let's jump in. So let us first show what are the layers that we have used. So just click over there. This is the vector layers has been kept over here, and satellite images are kept. So once you click over there, it will expand, and all the relevant layers will be displayed. So all this checkbox functionality has been created using Bootstrap. So over here you can find this forest fire and POI and all, but POI you can find POI is not visible because that is based on the zoom scale. You just zoom in and this all the POI will be come up. So if you just click over there, it will pop up with the information that it's a POI, the name is something different. Okay. So for all the POI has been configured as a pop-up. Apart from that, we have also included forest fires. Forest fire points has been included, and that too with a zoom scale, as there are lots of fire points and that will look this way pretty clumsy. So we just zoom in, so it will pop up. So once that's appeared over the screen, these are all forest fire points. So if you just click over there, all the relevant information that has been fed over there will be displayed. So you can just try hitting one after another, and you can also use a base map to understand how this, when it has happened. So it has happened in 2018. So let us open the satellite image of what we have clicked. I believe it's 2019. So if we just go over 2019 and hover over there, you will get, yeah, something has happened in that particular place and the density has been decreased that type of analysis can be further employed over here. So let's just discuss another point over here. Just use satellite image, and you can use this Google Earth imagery of means presently which has been kept in this web page, and see how this forest fire has impacted and how it's degrading this forest. So all this can be identified at a web level. And the further layers which we have used, okay, that is ground truthing photos that I will be displaying later on. So apart from that, this is a satellite layer, satellite data were kept over here. So 2010 to 2021 imageries were kept with the DEM as well. So let us try one after another. Let us first open this 2021 FCC. So if you just click over there, so it will come up. So how it's coming, or how this is coming. So what we have done, we have used GeoServer, right? So from GeoServer, if you just want to go to GeoServer, you have to hit the localhost 8080 GeoServer, okay, where I have hosted this GeoServer. So this is the user ID and password. Let me log in so that I can show you all those in detail. And if you need, just comment it in the video so that I will prepare a separate video how GeoServer can be configured in your system. So there are different layers were kept over here. So this is annual average precipitation of March. If you just click over there, it will come up with the imagery. So that can be brought up in the web page. So same, there are different layers we have added one after another. So this is Meghalaya FCC. So just click over FCC image, so you can find this is the false color composite of the area. Now let us go back to our web page. So over here, the satellite image, how it's coming, we have just elaborated those parts. Now if you just use there are a few tools, right? So this is the drag zoom. So if you want to zoom further, you can just drag it and it will zoom in. So now what I'll do, I'll swipe and swipe. This is the swipe tool which can be used. In the top, the satellite image which is coming from the layers has in the top, and in the back the base map layers will be there. So as I didn't disable this box zoom, so it has all means we need to just click over there to disable that one. So now it's disabled, and you can use this swipe tool to understand how you can compare the satellite imagery with the Google Earth imagery, and different analysis can be done after that as well. So you can use 2017 imageries as well. All these imageries were called as a tile service. So if you just go over there, means how is this all are coming, right? So these vector layers were kept in a, this is the structure means in our project. So if you just go inside this JavaScript directory, we will be getting a vector layers. So the nomenclature is something different, but we have used these vector layers where all the layers have been added. This is the base map, means if you are just clicking on the pop-up menu on the top left corner, you are getting a base map, right? So that's JavaScript works over there. So let us first discuss this one, vector layer. So over here, this all the layers that we are calling, it might be vector or raster, all those are coming from this. So let us discuss GeoServer thing. So all these WMS layers means exactly these are the tile WMS layers which has been used and consumed in the services in this manner. So all these are calling from GeoServer. So you can understand how promptly it's coming, and it's the individual this file is having about 25 GB, not sorry, it's 2 to 3 GB of size, gigabytes of size. So this is all about swipe control. You can also use means to analyze different satellite imageries, different temporal satellite imagery. If I can open a base map of 2017 and swipe it with let me open a 2019 satellite imagery, so sorry 21 satellite imagery, so that we can compare how that has been means degraded over past means couple of years, not couple, it's 17 to 21, it's 5 years, right? So just zoom in and you can find, so what's the difference that has been come up. Bit hard to understand because different enhancement were in place for these two imageries, but anyhow we can understand, means the difference can be understandable from that point of view. So this white thing that has come because of the black points, that I will rectify in my upcoming videos. So you can just see, let me zoom into a place where lots of changes happen. Let me change the base map, right? So this is let me select 91. The base map is just a bit different. Now you just scroll over here. This is this white pixels. You can find these are the mining areas, the cement factories, right? These are all the cement factories which are in Chantia Hills. So they keep on expanding. So let us just swipe so that you can find previously the extent was like this and now it has increased its extent. So from this imagery you can also means make a note of that, means like this. So this area, added area, this is of say 0.3 square kilometer, and yeah, this is the difference. You can find it over here. This is the difference. Like this the analysis can be done and that will be explained further in the later part of the video. Let me switch off the forest fire points. And now one thing that we have also included digital elevation model, and if you just superimpose over there, let me switch off this one, else it can't visible. So let me make a bit transparent. You can find this has been loaded, DEM has been loaded, but the background image is not visible. So just increasing the transparency of this DEM image, you can find this is the DEM image. Now this embossy effect is visible, right? So this is what we have prepared over here. So make it full. Now we have other classified layers which are kept over there. So just click over there and we can compare this forest cover map. So FCM, let me do a bit transparent it. Yeah, it's now transparent, and the same can be compared via swipe tool. By enabling this swipe tool, you can compare the same thing, how this imagery has been classified, and keep in mind that we are comparing these with Sentinel imageries, and this classified data is prepared using LIS3 data. You might be knowing that resolution of that imagery is bit coarser one, 30, and we are comparing with 10 meter data resolution of Sentinel, right? So you might expect something is not so perfect classification over there, but anyhow it's well matching. So that is all. Apart, there are a few other layers, say wind speed. You can find out all these things. All these can be added as a added functionality. And finally, what we can say, just select a blank face map. So if you want to take a printout of this area, means as per the requirement, so if you just click over the print, it will print you. Okay, this printed map has been saved as a PDF and kept it over here. Just go to downloads and open that one. Okay, so one after another is one vector layers, which GT points that I was discussing few minutes ago. So these are the GT points, mean ground truthing points that has been visited as a part of ground verification, right? So if you just click over any of the point, it will show you the photograph of that corresponding point. This feature is, it took me entire one day to configure this one. And furthermore, what we have done, if you just click on this photograph, it will pop up with, it will be open in a new window, right? So just if you just click over there, it will just open in a new window. So let me go to a mining place. This is a mining place, I believe. Let me click it over here, and this is the panoramic video. Panoramic video. So if you just click over there, you will get a panoramic view of the entire region. These are the few of the photographs that has been captured. So over here you can find this entire place has been cleaned up, and this shifting cultivation has been taken place over there. And moreover, you can just move to the other part of this Assam Meghalaya border. You just go and click over there, you just get, this is a dam. Exactly, this is a dam, right? Because I know, I went over there. Yeah, you just click over there. Yeah, this is the lower catchment of the dam. So very good dam. So let me zoom in, and there is some other good pictures. So you can see, so this is the dam with the fresh water, because this is a Meghalaya, and these all are limestone area. So this water is pure over there. The color is entirely different. So let's move to other parts of this. This is a mining area, cement factory regions where mines occurs frequently. You can see over there. So this is the entire project, and what we say means, if you like this one, just comment it in the text box in the below. The scale icon, this scale control and this latitude longitude has been displayed over here. All things how you like or didn't like is mentioned. This is a draggable tool, because we kept it over there because to enhance this usability of the tool, we have make it a draggable. And this is the home screen. You might have already visited that one, and if you just click on the about the author, it will pop up few of the information that I have entered over here. Just click on the home screen, it will just move you to the home screen. Once again, click on this, it will open Meghalaya Forest Information System. Click on about author, it will again pop up to this videos. Okay, there are a few other videos, please do visit. And this is the WebGIS. If you just click, it will redirect you to this page. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.